O seeker, amid the thunderous roar of the Kaurav army, it is now time for Dharma to speak. Shri Krishna and Arjun, seated on a grand chariot, raise their divine conch. Their sound is not just a call to battle, it is the beginning of a higher awakening. Stay with us, the full verse shines with the light of liberation. Tatah Shvetarhayar yukte mahatisyandane sthito Madhavah Pandavashev divyo shankho pradadmatu. Meaning of the verse: Then, seated on a great chariot drawn by white horses, Shri Krishna and the Arjun blew their divine conches. In this verse, the true heroes of the Geeta take center stage. Shveta Haya Yukte Mahti Syandane, the chariot, drawn by white horses, symbolizes purity, strength, and divine guidance. Madhava, Shri Krishna, the Lord of wisdom and Dharma. Pandava, Arjun, the warrior disciple, seeker of truth. Divyo Shankho, Pradadmatu, they blow divine conches, not ordinary ones. These sounds mark the beginning of a cosmic dialogue. This is no ordinary moment, this is the prelude to the timeless message of the Geeta. Each verse of the Geeta holds timeless wisdom for life. Stay connected with Guru Mantra for the next soul-stirring verse. Jai Shri Krishna,